And let me phrase it like this. At the cost of sounding controversial, I could say anecdotally कि self-esteem issue generally end up on the woman side of thing. Man side of thing, maybe it's a slightly different self-confidence issue. Maybe is more prominent.
Yeah.
But explain to me, what is this imposter syndrome and this kind of stuff?
Case in point, I think in the beginning of the podcast only you told me that Saba, you're selling yourself short, right? That is the case in point, because I feel as women now, and this is actually a number I'm giving. This is a quantitative analysis that I have done, because I had a podcast of my own with Zerodha, where I interviewed a lot of successful women from different fields. And no matter what their background is or what they do, everyone said that they suffer from imposter syndrome. And I'll tell you what that is. In India, women feel that they have to prove themselves and continuously do so. And they fail at getting that validation कि हाँ तुम ठीक कर रहे हो, क्योंकि हम जो भी करते हैं हमें कभी कोई नहीं बोलता हाँ तुम ठीक कर रहे हो. See, if again, like I said, if you're working hard, then she doesn't have time for her family. If you're not working, well, she's just a gold digger. If you're going through a divorce, it is her fault. She must have cheated, or she's a gold digger. If you look too good, she's using her pretty privilege. If you don't look good, she needs to get everything done. It's like you're never doing anything right. And it's always so exhausting that we suffer from imposter syndrome कि हमको कभी कुछ ठीक कर ही नहीं सकते. कि we are not worth it. Like we always have to keep on striving to be better to prove ourselves, but we are not getting proved. Hence proved ही नहीं हो रहा. And I feel I also suffer from it, because अगर मैं कुछ, I'm very politically driven. Like I am very opinionated, but like I get into trouble because of that. So now if I say something, it's a problem. If I don't say something, why aren't you standing up? If I look a certain way, why are you looking this way? That's why she's getting the work she is getting done. If I work very hard and I do all of these things, because of these men in her life. If I come from privilege, I'm very grateful and I take ownership of it, and I thank my parents for giving me the life they have. But I have used all that education and skills I've learned and worked hard for it, but like ये मेरी गलती, ये मेरे skills नहीं है, ये मेरी बाप की गलती है.
हाँ, ये privilege है इसका, right?
It's like anything a woman does is not okay. It's not fine. So it's always like A is also wrong, B is also wrong, then A is also wrong, and B is also wrong, and then we just.
So you can't have your cake and eat it too.
Never. Right. And that is just bloody exhausting.